There was a soil scientist from UC Davis who was here, and she was being filmed, and one of the quotes she said was, cities are essentially human Cafos, human concentrated animal feeding operations.
Yeah.
And all a city is where you send energy and antibiotics and nutrients and create waste.
It's a straight throughput. Isn't that horrible?
So what we need is really this cycle where we as farmers are in the business of producing nutrients, carbon, nitrogen, other things. We send it out into our community, and the leftover carbon, nitrogen that doesn't get used by the community comes back to the farm. If it's through a composter, that's fine, and then it comes back to us, we grow it again, and all of a sudden, rather than that carbon and nitrogen going out and then becoming waste into the oceans and the atmosphere, it gets cycled through our community, so we can have that carbon, that same carbon and same nitrogen cycling in our community forever and working for us.
Feeding us.
Yes, that's the goal.
If we can get our soil right, we can grow amazing food, raise amazing animals. We skip the pests, the diseases, the viruses, and soil damage. We instead focus on making things better and better. So our food, yield, and nutrition continue to improve exponentially with every single season. Learn to understand soil from the micro to the macro, down to the individual microbes, ions, and enzymes, and how they directly relate to hands-on action and pragmatic strategies for our farms, fields, and gardens. We can grow food faster with higher yields and nutritional density, but it all comes down and comes back to your soil. Is it resilient? Is it regenerative? Join us and change the way you see the world, food, soils, and everything and how it relates. I'm Matt Powers. Grow abundantly, learn daily, and live regeneratively. And click that link. Join us this season. Don't miss out.